Hello students, how are you? This is the chart of HDFC Bank. Trend decider is 1674 and from there it reached to 1691 and dropped to the level of 1657, which is the support one dot on it, and from there it moved to the trend decider again, and again as it crossed the trend decider, not even a single time it closed below and managed to reach to the resistance one of 1691 successfully again. And Adani, as it moved above the trend decider of 1803, and it managed to reach to the resistance 2 of 1928 successfully. And in the last 6-7 hours, it managed somewhere near to this level only, which is again a trend decider. Our resistance 2 is again trend decider for us. Our support 2 is a trend decider again for us. Let's talk about the Nifty 50. This week, trend decider was 17,624 and the low was just 17,612, and from there slowly and steadily keeps moving up, and it managed to reach to the resistance 2 of 17,953, corrected back, again reached to this level as it moved above resistance 2. What a short covering, what a short covering. In last 1 hour on Friday, it managed to move up by more than 100 points in just 1 hour. Just 1 hour. Just look at what it was told in last week. The strength of Nifty this week is of 500 points and Bank Nifty is 1,200 points. Nifty justified from 17,612 to 18,089, justified the forecast of its strength of 500 points. Now let's look at State Bank of India. Trend decider was 544 and from there it moved to the resistance 2, corrected back to resistance 1, again moved to the resistance 2 of 567, corrected 50% of resistance 1 and resistance 2, and this time it managed to cross the resistance 2, and from there it managed to the final resistance of 580 perfectly, dot on it. High is 580.45 and the final target is 580. State Bank of India performed very well on the weekly levels. Now let's check the Bank Nifty. It managed to move by 1,200 points or not, which was our strength of Bank Nifty. The low of the week is 4,269 and the high of the week is 43,302 dot 1100 plus point, and the strength of the week it was being written 1,200 points. Bank Nifty also justified its move. There is one thing, just writing, and second thing is how it perfectly works. And it was also told, this is a week of a trend. Is it Nifty again ready for a big move? बहुत स्पष्ट it was being written. Is it Nifty again ready for big move? And Nifty moved in a big way this week. सबसे मजेदार it was the move of 100 points in last 1 hour. एक बार तो सब बियर्स को स्क्वीज कर दिया मार्केट ने. शॉर्ट कवरिंग ऐसे मैनेज हुई कि जबरदस्त. ऑल राइट, with this feedback, it's time to say goodbye. Happy trading, happy investing to all my students. Lots of love, blessings. Have a great weekend, long weekend.